Hey everyone, it's Nigel Lavers here, and thank you for joining me in this free training today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did $5,077 in one day in pure profits, and you can too. Now, wherever you are, on your phone, on your laptop, in your chair, put your feet up, all right? Grab a pen and paper and take notes, please, because especially if you can don't just sit there and listen because all of the great entrepreneurs know that you forget 83% of what you don't write down. So, look, guys, this number, $5,077, is extremely high in one day. And it's more than most people make in a month in the USA. And I earned that in one day. So, this money, guys, well, it's not just me. And I actually have no strange talents behind me. I was just a blue collar carpenter guy. But in this free video, I'm going to explain how my referrals and my students in this industry are totally exploding online, even if they failed for months or years, or if they're absolutely, completely beginners. When they implement this system, this very simple strategy of mine that I am about to show you, they make sales within days. I mean it, days. We're talking days. Yeah, not months or years. I mean, normal everyday people are getting results, and it's not just beginner's luck, it's regular, consistent income. I mean this with so much crazy emphasis that this is unheard of in any other industry. So many success stories are popping up in affiliate marketing because of this strategy using this system. It's pretty insane to earn more than a doctor without being sponsored by Red Bull or something crazy. And this is 100% legit, the simplest way to succeed, actually. And what I'm saying is it can happen quickly. So listen closely. This isn't a mission impossible, but I will show you how to start with my help at the end of this video if you want to partner with me. So I hope you're all excited about this video. So let's jump in so I can show you all the proof and the case studies that will help you find success too. Now, if you're a normal person, you probably use YouTube. I mean, who doesn't? Even my 9-year-old nephew has been using it for years already. Adults like us, we get answers to our small problems there, and many gurus of making money online will do their YouTube videos to tell you to create a blog, and let's say on your Shopify website maybe, and then run affiliate offers on there, sending traffic to your website with paid advertising. Yeah. And so someone making $50,000 a month like me, I have seen a lot of issues with that. So let me explain what this is really teaching you. So if they teach you to build a website and you'll have to come up with a brand name and use their Shopify software and all that copywriting and the pop-ups and order pages and all that. And when they tell you once, you have it, and it's like that, just like that. And it's going to work though, right? Well, yeah, even when you use AI, right? It's supposed to work. Well, secretly, it's like going to Antarctica and setting up shop next to the penguins, right? And then you have to pay to fly customers to visit your store, to visit Antarctica. And this is normally done through YouTube ads or Google ads or sometimes Facebook ads. What you'll probably do is find an affiliate offer to promote that you can list on your website. Maybe a weight loss product. Yeah, health is always a popular niche, isn't it? And then you'll have to spend $1,000 to get Google to send a certain number of people to Antarctica to get into your store. Now, I believe there are so many things wrong with this because as a complete beginner, it's actually difficult to make this possible, right? That first $1,000 is just to test these ads. It's not guaranteed it'll work. There's just too many variables. Maybe you need to change the product from this weight loss to that fat burner because the audience isn't right. Maybe you will change the messaging, the branding, the website pages, the whole blog tone from serious to humorous. And you'll have to spend another $1,000 on Google Ads to test it again, right? And if you're doubting that this is the truth, then just know that big companies like Gymshark actually spend millions monthly on ads with Google and YouTube and things like that. So yeah, if it doesn't work again, you have to pass on another iteration of changes. The product, the branding, the messaging, one more time. One more time, spending $1,000 to send a shipment of potential customers to your Antarctica located website. Okay, so you did all that testing. I did that. I lost $5,000 on ads myself using Amazon with products that didn't work. messaging that didn't convert. Okay. So a lot of people don't have $5,000 to stack up and spend on something that might work, that isn't guaranteed. And if you're convinced by some YouTube star that this is the way, my gosh, guys, I hope you are seeing this before you spend $10,000 or even $20,000 with this process, because by that point, you'll probably give up on your dream to achieve the luxury of a profitable online business. Instead, what you want to do is stay away from the thought of spending on a system that isn't risk-free. Yeah, you follow me, right? You follow me on this? What you want to do is spend time on researching what is trending, researching where your dream customers are already, where people are already hanging out. And don't worry, I've done this for you. As a mentor, it's my duty to do this for you, right? And yeah, you can do that too. Just go where people are already spending, spending their time and their money, right? And see what people want to do, what people want to consume, and what people want to buy. And I tell you, there are two places where I know people hanging out quite a bit right now going into 2024. You want to see what those two places are? So if you are brand new and have the desire to earn this real online income, you want to imagine it like this. Can you guess where those two places are? Well, when you know those two places, it's like making the decision to put your website where people already are, not in Antarctica, but instead, let's take London. All right. In the UK, for example, right there on Oxford Street, the shopping haven. You want to build a business right on Oxford Street where people already have the idea in mind to purchase just because it's Oxford Street. And that is TikTok. Now, please, please, please. Okay. Yes, I know TikTok is famous for some of the strangest reasons. All those dancing videos and funny cat memes. And you might think, no way, no one buys from that place. It's just half naked pretty girls twerking and selling their two-step dances or whatever it is. But come on now, it's more than just surface level, actually. You see, actually, it goes like this. TikTok is a money printing machine. You know, so many people say this, but I want to reassure you of this. It's going to be bigger than Amazon. Yeah, that's what I believe. And Amazon is very big, very, very big. But TikTok will rise up in a different way than Amazon. And you can be a part of it. TikTok is so hyped, it's so viral, it's unbelievably easy. I actually honestly see grandfathers going viral on TikTok when these guys are in their 70s. I kid you not. My students actually made nearly $6,000 on TikTok making his videos, and he's 65 years old. You don't need to dance. You don't need to have perfect handsome features or sexy makeup. You don't even have to show your face. Yes, faceless TikTok accounts are making 30 grand a month or more. That's something that we love. I love that. I mean, I do love that. So now the question is, why TikTok? And that's why I'm ready to explain this right now. So compared to other ways of getting customers like Google rankings, YouTube videos, for example, you need to put out a lot of content regularly and consistently for months, if not years, before achieving any income. For example, a 10-minute long video where you teach somebody something that they are searching for, or 3,000 word how-to blog that answers a very important question that is searched many, many, many times. And I mean, so if you're brand new on the internet and business scene and you haven't done any camera work, you haven't built up any expertise in addressing an audience, or even any expertise at all in anything particular, this can be very, very difficult to achieve. Like maybe you're managing right now all the problems. How could I review that? How can I comment on that if I haven't made any money or used that product? So many simple fears will hold you back. But before even you do start and you just go for 6 months with barely any views, barely any results, I mean, you might get lucky. But with TikTok, it's different. TikTok doesn't care if you are a nobody or if you have 1 million followers. The only thing TikTok gives a damn about is if people watch your videos or not. And that's what makes TikTok so incredible. Literally, so many success stories rise up because of TikTok. It's insane. Like, honestly, this is so damn exciting. You've got to put down the baby in the crib and get the baby monitor. Okay, listen and get a pen and paper again. Please understand this. You could literally put on a TikTok video today and immediately make money tomorrow. And here's why. When you post a TikTok, you don't have to dance or use any filters or sound effects. My student referrals and students, they don't dance. I don't dance. But people buy products like crazy on TikTok. It's absolutely crazy. Just admit, when you think of Amazon, okay, you think you could buy something, right? That's what's happening with TikTok, but for regular people like you and me. Yeah. So here's what happens when you post your video on TikTok. TikTok will send your video out to 1,000 people to watch. And if that 7 to 15-second video scores very well, like 85% watch rate, then TikTok will push it out again to another bunch of people. And just realize that your 7 to 15-second video doesn't even need you to be talking. You don't even need to show your face. I literally post videos of me just pointing at some text on screen or simply smiling at the camera sometimes. So next case is a second tier of virality, 10,000 people. And remember, you don't need followers for this. I mean, you'll get followers, but that's not required to achieve this. Next, if this video scores well with those new viewers, TikTok will blast this video out again to 100,000 people. And again, you don't need followers. Not for this result, because it's TikTok. And after this point, a real human will watch and review your video, which is pretty amazing, right? This real human at this point says, okay, let's approve this video to go viral. And it will go to 1 million people and maybe even more if those 1 million people really do enjoy it. So whatever it is you're planning to do with your side hustle ambitions and your desire to make money online, you have got to start learning TikTok. It's a gold mine. Now, here's how to 3x your business income in 30 seconds without any worries or heavy lifting. Yeah. Just duplicate, that is, copy exactly and repurpose your remarkable business on Oxford Street and take it straight to guess where? Well, you guessed it, Yonge Street in Toronto. And I'll explain how you can do New York too, right? Two birds with one stone. You see, Instagram and Facebook with Reels, yeah, Meta, look at Meta. And yes, it's this simple, right? Meta, just copy and paste your TikTok Reels onto Instagram and Facebook, especially Instagram. And you'll get tons and tons of traffic to your little hot store. And more traffic means more business no matter what you promote. And so here's the big mic drop today. All right. The number one reason why people fail online is because they don't know how to get traffic. People give up too easily because the big Achilles heel to all of this marketing hype of making money online is no one teaches how to do this traffic generating thing with such ease for beginners, the way I do for my students with instant virality formula. I mean, you can look at me and my coaching students, and we are masters of traffic. We know how to get traffic to generate income online, right? And so this is your sobering moment. We're talking now because of this knowledge I just shared with you. You have traffic, not in months, but like tomorrow. So you can see that what's unbelievable about this is that it's incredibly simple right now to make money online. Incredibly simple. Use 17, whatever, 7-second videos with TikTok to Instagram to Facebook. You don't have to risk any money on paid advertising. Zero risk, but still all the gain. Just think, how does a beginner learn and keep learning? They risk nothing and gain everything, right? That's safety. That's reinforced positivity. Just use your smartphone, download TikTok, and you have all the tools right there, all ready to make thousands of dollars daily online affiliate marketing when you send your traffic to the right offer. Same thing. Download Instagram and Facebook, and you got all three. So now, why is Instagram a little hidden gem? Yeah, well, TikTok took over Google in like a space rocket, past Google, and erupted into the scene. Stole Facebook traffic, Snapchat traffic, YouTube, Twitter, and even Instagram traffic, because people want to see these short little 7 to 15-second videos. You remember this now. This happened. They're funny, simple, fast, and it's the new culture now. And this is what is entertaining the world right now. It's a short attention span world, right? Like, forget this and then forget that and then scroll this and then scroll that, move on to another thing like a gecko, just sprinting. moving quickly, and it's almost cold-blooded, these instincts, It's horrendous. We are like cold-blooded reptiles soaking up the sun, blindly scrolling videos for a whole hour, just like it's relaxing or something. And it's funny. Reptile on a rock warming up. It's happening, everyone. Now, you like, and all of a sudden you're losing your tail over a video that you didn't like. I'm joking. So yeah, that's what Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube did. They also moved to the short form videos, the Reels. It was TikTok that initiated all of that. And this algorithm, what TikTok is doing, it's exactly what Instagram started doing and exactly what Facebook started doing. And because of this competitiveness, new accounts are getting viral views, like brand new accounts, viral views. So you don't want to be spending money on ads. You want to be earning daily profits. And if you're on the fence, then you've got to ask yourself a real question, right? The question is, how serious an opportunity is this? I mean, really, if earning $1,000 per day is a serious result for you, then yeah, now is the time to jump aboard, right? Now is the time to enjoy this regular, consistent income with zero risk. To help you frame your mind, though, around that. I was just a carpenter, right? So I say it like that. Like, let me ask you your job security, because I was caught. When COVID came, I was caught with a recession that shut me down. I had to search and search and search, and maybe you weren't aware of it, but the gas prices were insane. They still are. Housing costs are going up. Salaries aren't. And that's because the economy is going digital. Everything is moving to be remote. And so you are on the leading edge of getting here to see this, and it's a great opportunity to take advantage of this. And all this means is that if this is something entirely easy to do in 1 to 2 hours a day of commitment to make an extra $5K a month, would you do it? Obviously, yeah, you would, right? And an extra $5K a month is something that helps not just your desire to go out to a nice restaurant, but for your family, pay off debts for your kids' future and for the vacations. I mean, an extra $5,000 a month is probably double your income, right? Isn't it? That's the modest average income of most people in the USA. And that's what we're talking about here. Even doubling that or tripling that, right? With simple 30 minutes a day to produce some TikTok videos. I mean, I went from 0 to 6K in 90 days, then 18K per month, then 25K per month, 35K per month, 45K per month, 55K per month, just by posting 3 TikToks a day with my phone, using my pre-made and pre-built 99% done for you affiliate marketing funnel. So, I mean, $5,000 a month is on the lighter side of results achievable for normal people. And that's the number 2 reason why most beginners fail. Is because the websites, the emails, the copyright, and all the techie stuff, right? So don't feel like I'm leaving you behind here, because if you want to partner with me, I'll not only give you the hand-holding you deserve to create these viral videos with my instant virality formula, but I'll also let you have one of my pre-made and pre-built 99% done for you affiliate marketing systems. And then you can earn $500 to $3,000 per day working only 1 to 2 hours a day. So if this sounds good to you, just click the link below and get started today. Let's make it happen.